EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for November 15th, 2019. We're going to have mostly sunny skies in place today. Actually, a lot milder than it has been over the past week. It's going to be technically slightly below average, but you wouldn't really know it compared to what we had this previous week with some very, very cold temperatures at different times. We're going to be on either side of 50 degrees today. So enjoy it while you can, because this is not going to last. We have this system down off the southeastern U.S. coastline. It's going to sit here and meander for a couple of days. And in part, it's because we're going to have a frontal boundary moving through tonight. You can just barely see it. Here's this evening. There's a frontal boundary sitting right about here. And that's going to move through the region overnight. It's going to be a dry frontal passage, we think. But it will have cold air coming down behind it, and that's going to settle in for the weekend as a trough settles in. This is just a transient shot of cold air, however. So we get to Saturday. We still have this system meandering off the coast here, but it can't really come too far north because we have a trough that's settling over the region here, and we also have a big high pressure sitting right here, kind of blocking its forward advance. So this can't come up the coast here until this high pressure moves out and the trough lifts out, but because the trough is in place, we have some cold temperatures across the region that we'll be dealing with here on Saturday. Highs not getting out of the 30s after being on either side of 50 today, so it will be quite a difference. And then once we get to Sunday, still looking at, we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy, because this system's going to start to come northward a little bit as the high that it's now retreating into up here in Newfoundland and getting up in that region. The trough is going to lift out. Temperature's going to rise slightly, so we're going to be about maybe 4 or 5 degrees warmer here on Sunday, but partly cloudy skies to start, mostly cloudy later in the day, and as this lifts out, the system starts lifting off to the north. Now, we're not expecting anything here on Sunday. It looks like there could be, in association with this, some showers wrapping in your eastern sections. We'll have to keep an eye on that. This would be in the form of rain, though. We're not talking about any frozen precipitation or any snow, and this is on Monday. And temperatures are going to be a little bit milder here on Monday, and that's why we're not dealing with any frozen precipitation concerns. But it looks like mainly our eastern areas could get into a few showers here on Monday, so we'll keep an eye on that. But this system's going to pull away, and then there's another system that's going to be quickly on its heels. We're still keeping it mostly cloudy here on Tuesday and again on Wednesday. We'll watch this too. Little clipper system, might be a few snow showers maybe even with this. It depends on how cold it can get ahead of this. The little trough trying to move in behind that system exiting. A couple different opinions about this. The European model's not as thrilled with the cold air involved with this, so it's quite a difference between highs in the 50s and highs in the maybe lower 40s. And then we'll see how this works out. This will be coming at night, so there is a few chances for a few very light snow showers or flurries with that, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Doesn't look too organized either way. And then once we get beyond this system, we turn milder toward the end of next week as we get to Thursday. But what does look like it's going to be dry. We're going to warm up ahead of this next frontal boundary, which should come in toward the end of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 15th, 2019. Have a great Friday.